Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy, chapter 9 laser, and the topic is also laser. So student, in this chapter up to the date we learn the meaning of laser, features of laser, utilities of laser, and the format of laser, what the elements are including in a particular format, and we learn the posting journal to the laser. Okay, whatever the journal entry we record in our books of account, so those journal entry are transferred to the laser. So that process is called the posting, and this process we already learned as a simple journal entry as well as a compound journal entry. So student, so today we will learn how the journals of a particular business is transferred into a laser. Okay, so how the different type of lasers we need, how the different type of accounts we need to prepare in that. So before starting our topic, students, happy Teachers Day to all. It doesn't matter only the person who teach you, only that will be the teacher. No, the teacher is that person who teach to any of the person in a different way or in any way, as many of the elder brother or sisters teach to their younger brother or sister, and some relative also, and in different way they teach to their other persons. So sometimes students also give a lesson to a teacher, by which teachers also learn the most of the important thing with their students. So student, not only the teachers who teach you, that only the teacher, so everybody as a teacher, those who give a lesson to a person in a better way. Okay, so happy Teachers Day once again to all. So student, now we are going to prepare the laser and we will transfer journal into laser. So I have a question. So with the help of that question, we will prepare the different ledgers in the books of accounts. So student, so first of all we need to record the journal, and then from these journal we will prepare ledger. Okay, so students, let's see the journal entries and then we will preparing the ledger from those journal entry. So with the help of books, today we will take a help of book for journal, and from those journal we will prepare the ledger. Okay, so let's see the formats of ledger, and after that from the journal we will prepare the ledger. Students, I prepare the format of cash account and different account also. I prepare the different format. So student, we will take a example number 2 or illustration number 2 of your book, that is T.S. Grewal. So in which we will find the account in the journals, which account will debited and which account will credited. So with the help of these journal, this is given in your book, that is illustration number 2 in on page number 9.9. So according to this journal entry, these journal entry, we will prepare the different account, whatever the accounts are mentioned in these journal entry, or the accounts are debited or the credited. So student, let's see. First we prepare the format of cash account. So the format of cash account, that is date, and next column for particulars, and then JF, journal folio, because these this will transfer from the journal, so that's why journal folio we have to show, and then the amount column. So by this line, the debit side is in the left side, and according to this line, the right portion is a credit side. Next, date, particulars, again JF, journal folio, and the amount. So student, first we are preparing the cash account according to these journal entries. So now we have to search the transaction which are incurred in business in cash. So according to that, we have to do the posting these accounts from journal to the ledger. So now if we read the first journal entry, date 2020, and here the April 1st, cash account debited with the capital account by rupees 1 lakh. So if cash account is debited, so that's why debit this side by the amount of rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh of rupees we will record in the debit side with the name of to capital account, because the capital account is affecting with the cash account. Here we will mention at the top the date is April 1st. Okay, so first transaction we record in a cash account from journal to the ledger. So next we have to search there is any cash. Yes, cash is credited by rupees 70,000. Okay, so the account, bank account, the date 2nd April. So 2020 April 2nd, by 70,000 the cash account is credited with the bank account. Okay, so now the second transaction is also posted to the cash account. Next one is, yes, in April 3rd, cash account is credited. So again we will credit cash account with the purchase account. So here is April 3rd by purchases account by rupees 5,000. Okay, next there is any other purchase. Yes, any other cash. Yes, it is debited on April 4th. So April 4th, it's debited with the account bank 1,000 rupees. So to bank account 1,000 rupees. Okay, so next transaction, no cash, so it will not transfer to cash account. No cash account is there, and in next the cash account is debited on April 24. So April 24 cash account is debited with the account of Krishna 1,500. So to Krishna, to Krishna's account 1,500. Okay, next one, cash account is credited by rupees 2,150. Okay, cash account is credited by rupees 2,150. So with the account of Shyam. April 28. On April 28, by Shyam's account, the amount is 2150 rupees. Okay, here we have taken as a we record the name of Shyam. We record the name of Shyam in cash account, but the amount is recorded in front of the cash account, not the Shyam account. This thing we have to remember. Okay, अगर हमारे कैश के सामने जो अमाउंट है केवल वो अमाउंट ही हम लिखेंगे वहाँ पर, बस ओनली द नेम ऑफ दिस अकाउंट विल बी शो. बाय दिस we can confirm Shyam account is affecting to the cash account, so that's why. But amount कैश अकाउंट का ही शो होगा. नेक्स्ट वन, कैश डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट. April 30 to sales account, and the amount is 8,000. So 8,000 rupees we will show in a debit side. And next one is, there is April 30 rent account debit and salary account debit and cash account credit. Cash account is credited with two accounts, rent and salary. So on April 30, by rent account and by salaries account. So now what amount we have to record? Rent account will 500 and salary account will 3,000. With both the accounts together, the cash account will credit by rupees 3,500. So that's why the amount of rent account and the salaries account will show in the credit side of cash account. So 500 for rent account and 3,000 for salaries account. Okay, now if we are taking together, so then the cash account is credited by rupees 3,500. Okay, so now student, we have to do the balancing of both the accounts. So if we are doing the balancing of both the accounts, so then the total of both sides we will take. So if we are taking this side, so the balance will less because 1 lakh of rupees transaction is there, that is more comparison to the other. So here we will balancing as, if we totaling this side, so this side total will 1,10,500 and again 1,10,500. And if we totaling this, so this total is subtracting from this, so then the balancing will remain. So balance CD means carried down. It means this balance we have to carry on the next month. So the balance will remain 29,850, and this balance now transfer to the next month on the first date, May 1st, and here we will record this balance to balance BD, borrowed down. The amount is 29,850. So this is the complete one account comes under the ledger. Okay, and if we're talking all these accounts together, so then these whole accounts together called the ledger. Okay students, so now another account which we have to prepare here. So according to the journal entry, we will see that the second account is cash account, already we prepared. Second account is capital. So now we have to prepare the capital account, this capital account. And next to capital account, we have to prepare the bank account. And next, if we say cash, so cash already we have prepared, so again we no need to prepare the cash account. And after that we have to prepare the purchase account, and cash account already prepared, and cash account already prepared, and the bank account already prepared. Next we have to prepare the Krishna account, and then sales account, purchase account already prepared, so again we no need to prepare because here we prepare the purchase account. And next we have to prepare the Sham account. So similarly, one by one we have to see the accounts, what account we have to prepare, and what account already we prepared. So then those accounts already prepared, so no need to repeat them again. Only those accounts we have to prepare, those still not prepared. Okay, so now the second account is capital account. So capital account, under this account, similarly we have to prepare the format and date particular JF amount and these, and after that we have to record the transaction only. So let's see the format. Students, now we are having the second account, that is capital account. So now we are preparing to capital account. Already we prepared the format of capital account. Here, according to this transaction, capital account is credited by rupees 1 lakh and the account is cash account with the cash account. Okay, so now date we have to mention 2020 April 1st. So according to 2020 April 1st, it is credit. So the credit side this. So 2020 April 1st by cash account, that is 1 lakh of rupees. It is transferred to capital account. Any other transaction is also there in the capital account. Capital, no capital account, no capital, no capital, no capital, no capital, no capital account, no capital account, no capital, no capital. So it means no capital account is there. So only we have to totaling this account only. Okay, so 1 lakh of rupees, 1 lakh of rupees. So we will not doing the balancing also for the one transaction. Okay, so some accounts are there for which we no need to do the balancing. Okay, so next one is cash account already prepared, bank capital. Now the bank account. So according to this transaction April to 2nd, bank account is debited rupees 70,000. So already I have prepared the bank account format. So bank account is debited according to the transaction. So 2020, the transaction is on April 2nd. So to cash account, this is debited with the cash account. The amount is 70,000. So 70,000 we will record over here. And after that, there is any transaction related to bank? No. Yes, there is credit by rupees 1000 with the cash account on April 4. So 2020 April 4 by cash account. The amount is 1000 rupees. Okay, according to this transaction, bank account is credited. And next, there is any transaction related to bank? No. So no other transaction is there related to the bank. Only two transactions are there. So now we have to do the balancing. So if we are doing the balancing according to this, so the total of this side, debit side is more. So 70,000 we will record over here. 70,000 and the last date of the month, that is 30 April by balance CD 69,000, and this balance will transfer to the next month on first day to balance BD, that is 69,000. Student, doesn't matter, always the balance will remain on the credit side. Debit side balance also may be there. Okay, so next one, cash account is prepared, capital account, bank account, cash already prepared. Next one is purchase account. So purchase is debited. So on April 30 with the cash account by rupees 5,000. So purchase account format already I have prepared. So 2020, the transaction is on April 3rd with the cash account. So to cash account by rupees 5,000. Okay, according to this transaction, cash account is debited. After that, sorry, purchase account is debited. After that, any purchase, yes, with the Sham, rupees 2,250, April 20. So it is on April 20 with the Sham. So to Sham's account, amount 2,250 rupees. Okay, there is any purchase transaction is there. So after this, no purchase account is there. Okay, so after that only we have to do the totaling, not the balancing, because परचेज अकाउंट बैलेंस ऑलवेज द डेबिट बैलेंस. ओके, क्योंकि जब भी हम गुड्स परचेज कर रहे होंगे तो परचेज अकाउंट विल डेबिट, और से जब हम उन गुड्स को आउटफ्लो में बिजनेस से निकालेंगे तो देन वी विल सेल. तो हम वहाँ पर सेल करेंगे और सेल होने पर वो क्रेडिट होगा, तो इट मीन्स वहाँ पर अकाउंट चेंज हो जाएगा सेल्स अकाउंट. सो दैट्स वाई वी नो नीड टू do the balancing of purchase account, sales account. So only the total we have to show the bottom. So student, next after the purchase account, cash account already prepared, cash account prepared, bank account prepared. Now the Krishna account. Okay, so now we have to prepare the Krishna account. So let's see. Student, we prepare the format of Krishna account. So the transaction in Krishna account on April 13, the amount is 1500. So Krishna account is debited with the account of sales. So 2020 April 13 to sales account. Okay, Krishna account is debited with sales account. The amount is 1500. So 1500 rupees we will show in the debit side of Krishna account. Next, there is any transaction related to Krishna? Yes, Krishna here is credited by the cash account. So by rupees 1500 and on April 24. So 2020 April 24 by cash account. 1500 rupees received from the Krishna. So any other transaction is there related to Krishna? No transaction is there related to Krishna. So no balance will remain in the Krishna account, only both sides the total will remain same, that is 1500 rupees. Okay. Next one, which account we have to prepare? Krishna account is prepared. After that, sales account. So now we have need to prepare the sales account. So format already we prepared, that is sales account. Okay students, so sales account is credited with the Krishna account. So on April 2020 April 13, on April 13 we will record by Krishna account by rupees 1500. Okay, there is any more transaction related to sales? So sales, after that any sales is there? Yes, one more sales is there, that is of rupees 8000. It is on April 30 with cash. So on April 30 by cash account and rupees 8000. Okay, after that any sales account is there? No. So now we have to do the totaling of sales account. 9,500 and 9,500. Okay, so there is no balance will be calculated in the sales account because all transaction will comes in sales account at the credit side. Okay, so student, next one, Krishna account is there, sales account already prepared, purchase account already we prepared. Next one is Shyam account. So now we have to prepare the Shyam's account. So format already prepared. Shyam's account. So according to Shyam account, Shyam is credited by rupees 2,250 on April 20. So credit 2020 April 20 with the account of buy purchases. Okay, Shyam account is credited with purchase account. Purchase account is debited by rupees 2,250. After this, any other transaction is there related to Shyam? Yes, cash paid to Shyam and discount received also. So Shyam account is debited. So to cash and to discount received. To cash account and to discount received account. The amount is 2,150 and 100. By the total, it will debit 2,250. So 2,150 and 100. The date of this transaction April 28. So 2020 April 28. Okay, and then there is any transaction related to Shyam? No. Two thousand two hundred 2,250. Okay, so after the Shyam account, there is any account we have to prepare. Cash account already prepared, Krishna account already prepared, Shyam account prepared, cash account already prepared, discount receive account we have to prepare the next account. Okay, so now the discount received account. Discount received account. So according to this, the discount received account is credited by rupees 100. The Shyam account is debited with the discount received account. So by Shyam account by rupees 100. It is on 2020 April 28. So in this, any other transaction is there discount received? No transaction is there, so only we have to the total 100 rupees 100 rupees. No need to do the balancing of. Okay, or we can write also. Next one, discount receive account is prepared, cash account is prepared, sales account is prepared. Next one is rent account. Okay, so rent account and salary account are left only, and cash account already prepared. Only rent and salary account we have prepared. 500 and 3,000 on April 30. Both are debited with the cash account. So first that is a rent account, and next one is salaries account. Okay, so both are debited. Debiting is on April 2020, April 30 to cash account. Rent was paid 500 rupees, so that's why it is debited. And no transaction is there after this, so only 500 and 500. And next one is salaries account. Salary account is also on 2020 April 30 to cash account and it of rupees 3000. Similarly, we have to record like this. Or we can record the balances of these transactions on April 30, last date of the month, by balance CD 3000. Okay, or we can write in this account also 2020 April 30 by balance CD 500 rupees, and in this also we can do same 2020 अप्रैल 30 लास्ट डेट, मंथ की लास्ट डेट होगी, उसमें बैलेंस निकालना होता है हमें. सो दैट्स वाई टू बैलेंस CD, that is 100 rupees. Okay, so student, these are the journal entries. From these journal we prepare these all ledgers related to the accounts which are affecting in the journal entries. Okay, thank you students for today. Thank you.